Place the working table into the engraving machine. Place the collection tray under the working table. Connect the air assist device. Rotate to adjust air assist to the maximum. Turn on the engraving machine. Using a level to check the working table is in a horizontal position. Place the sheet material onto the platform. Make sure the laser head is 3 millimeters away from the material. Set the processing position and origin. Import design. Set the design width and height. Set the engraving parameter based on the material. Set the cutting parameter based on the material. Fix the sheet material on the platform with tape. Measure the diameter and length for the pin. Set the cutting size. Cut a pen jig. Position the pen on the slot. Make sure the laser head is 3 millimeters away from the pen. Import the engraving file. Set the engraving material. Unplug the wire and connect it to the rotary attachment. Raise the platform with razors. Make sure the laser head is 3 millimeters away from the object. Spray residue remover. Install the dual wheel bracket. Place the tapered tumbler on the dual wheel bracket. Make sure the tapered tumbler at the horizontal position. Make sure the laser head is 3 millimeters away from the object. Set the engraving parameter. Preview the engraving position. Start to engrave the tumbler.